So if your character has slightly deformed teeth or eyes, this tutorial is for you. Let's start with the teeth. To make them clearly visible, let's hide the face texture. Under the Surfaces tab, select Face and decrease cutout opacity. Then open the Geometry Editor tool, right-click, and in the Selection type, choose Vertex Selection Mode. Now let's select the teeth. Right-click, Geometry Selection, select by, Surfaces, and select the mouth, then Teeth. Now go to the Parameters tab, find the morph of your character and add it to Favorites. Right-click, Morph Editing, clear selected deltas from Favorites. Now, to correct the position of the teeth, use the teeth morphs from my free Eyes and Teeth morph set. Done. Now, let's do the eyes. Again, open the Geometry Editor tool. Right-click, Geometry Selection, select by, Phase Group, and select RI, and then LI. And again, right-click, and clear selected deltas from Favorites. Now, also correct the position of the eyes using morphs. All that's left is to export the corrected morph of your character.